7.
So I'm just completely relaxed. I'm not moving anything.
Yeah.
I'm not even trying to move anything. That's all the electrical stimulation.
8.
And it's slowly activating more and more of the muscle in the hand. So you see it's kind of jumping
Yeah.
around more.
9.
Okay, let's leave it there. Are you okay with that, Cindy?
Oh yeah, perfect.
Now, why don't we turn it off, Ollie?
Okay.
And this time, what I'd like you to do is to set the stim rate at 20. You're going to probably have to switch the gain setting to times 10. And start off at 0.
Okay, back to 0.
And then we'll just slowly increase the current, and we should see a more sustained type contraction.
Okay, ready?
This will feel different, Cindy. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It feels like pin needles.
Yep. That's some of the sensory fibers that are being
I
activated.
see.
6.
Okay, that's good. And turn it back off. Just switch it off. So it caused
Yeah.
those fingers are controlled by the nerve that we're stimulating. So it actually pulled them down. Do you mind if we do that again?
No, let's do it again.
Okay.
Start at 6 or come back up?
Start down around 0, but you can come up maybe a little quicker towards 6.
We're on.
Okay, he's on. He's coming up.
But it feels like
It's
pin
starting to
pricks.
contract, and you probably get some sensory feeling. And then it forces the contraction, and then back off, Ollie. Switch it off all the way. Good. Okay?
Yeah. It's really funny because it just does those 2 fingers.
Yep. Because the nerve is basically supplying some of the muscles that go to those 2 fingers. There's another nerve, which is the median nerve, that we could try to stimulate.
Yeah, let's try it.
It sits right here. It takes a little bit more hunting around. Let's go back to 1 pulse per second.
Okay.
And that should cause more of these guys to
Okay.
contract if we get it. Are you going up?
Yep. 3.
And this
Feel the zipping.
oh,
Ooh.
there you go. Okay, leave it right there.
Okay.
It also activates some of the wrist muscles. Okay, and you can switch it off.
We're off.
And now let's do the same thing. Go to 20 hertz
Okay.
and start off really low current, and we'll just bring it up, and it'll probably give a sustained contraction, and then flip it off altogether.
Okay.
So he's starting the current.
1,
You okay?
Yep.
2,
I can feel it zipping down
Yep.
my arm.
4.
Okay, and off. Yep, beautiful.
Yeah.
So that was the stimulation. We were controlling that movement of your hand with this electrical stimulation. And this relates to this idea of people who are paralyzed. We can now start to use these same principles to activate their muscles to produce movements, because the muscles and some of the nerves are still viable. They just can't get the signals from their brain out to the muscles.
Wow.
Okay?
That's really cool.
Okay. That's pretty good. Yep.
Okay, that's right.
That's probably all.